transfer ton from bitget to tonkeeper wallet. So how to transfer ton from bitget to tonkeeper wallet is easy and simple. Now first of all, open the bitget app and make sure you are logged into your account. Now after that, tap on assets, and from the top part, tap on spot. Now after that, tap on withdraw, and now as you can see, we search for ton to be able to select. After you find it, tap on it. Now after that, tap on on-chain withdraw, and now as you can see, the coin is ton, the network is ton, but we need to withdraw all others. So how to get it? Just I will float this window, and we will need to go to tonkeeper app. Now after you open the tonkeeper app, we need the withdrawal address of ton. Now how to get it? Just tap on ton, and from here tap on receive, and now as you can see, tap on copy. Now go back to bitget app. I will expand this window to be able to paste the withdrawal address. Now from here, paste the withdrawal address. As you can see, I will paste it. Now we don't need memo for this. Just type how much you want to send of ton. Now from here, as you can see, this is the fee that we will pay, and this is how much we will receive. Now after you are ready to go, just tap on withdraw and confirm the transaction, and now you will be able to transfer ton from bitget to tonkeeper wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.